Today, we're going to demonstrate how to use the Gilson SE-5 Economy Sand Equivalent Shaker. The Economy Sand Equivalent Shaker conforms to ASTM, AASHTO, and California 217 test methods in measuring the amount of undesirable clay-like fines in aggregates and granular soils. To use the Economy Sand Equivalent Shaker, place the unit on a level surface. Unfasten the 4 latches to remove the front cover and then safely set the cover aside. Now remove the 2 pads inserted into the cylinder clips. Be sure to save these pads as they are needed to secure the front cover to the unit once usage is completed. Next, move the counterarm to the white line on the left steel strap. This will allow the unit, once in operation, to trigger the counter and tally the number of oscillations. Rotate the mechanical counter reset knob until all digits are at 0. Now carefully insert the test cylinder with stopper firmly in place into the cylinder clips, with the base of the cylinder inserted into the base clip. For this demonstration, the test cylinder is empty. Next, manually oscillate the test cylinder to a preset mark on the case at the proper test rate. The integral mechanical counter will now tally how many strokes will occur. Continue oscillating the test cylinder at the proper rate for 45 seconds until test specifications have been met. Now carefully lift the test cylinder up and out of the 3 clips and continue with the sand equivalent test. To close the Economy Sand Equivalent Shaker, move the counterarm away from the steel strap and towards the case. This will allow the front cover to safely return to the unit. Next, return the 2 pads to the cylinder clips and return the cover to the unit, securing it with the 4 latches. For any questions about the Economy Sand Equivalent Shaker, or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.